Hi everyone, my name is King IV and this is a custom Excel workshop. And in this workshop, I'm going to solve the problem of how do you total values across tabs when they're in the same row, same column, or same cell. So the problem here is I want to figure out my total views across these 3 months. So in this case, I have month 1 and I have all the views on column F by region. And if I wanted to do this, and this is a pretty simple example, but if I wanted to do this, I would have to go sum, total the columns, go through each cell. It's very inefficient. And it's pretty simple with this many columns or this many tabs. But once I get to more, like that took like about 30 seconds. Is there a faster way of doing it? And especially this was like 30 seconds with 3 tabs. If there was a faster way of doing it, so essentially there is. So you go month 1 colon month 3 exclamation mark, and then go column F, which is the column that I want to sum, and then there you go. That took about 10 seconds or less. And you can imagine that can scale to whether there's 3 or 300 tabs. And I guess your question you're probably asking is, do I have to name it month 1, 2, and 3? Or will it only read it if it's in that order? Can I change it? Can it be different tabs? The answer is you do not have to make it sequential month 1 to 3. So for example, here it's 11:38 and I can change this to random. I'll just type the word random. And what you'll see here, it doesn't really matter because it essentially is looking at the tab order. So as long as you have the first and last tab in the correct order, and then your question you're probably asking is like, oh, will it only look at between these 3, or is it static, or can I make it dynamic? The question is, let's see what happens when I move June in between there. And then what you'll see is that the amount updates here, but does not update here. So quick, easy, powerful tool to use. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and look forward to speaking to you next time.